You see 9 on there. Now good. He'll be able to see it from here.
You hold this one?
Hold that down. I'm going to go ahead and put this on too, the autopilot.
New Pass Bridge Master versus Sailing Vessel JC2. Sailing Vessel JC2, we're approaching you from the east. We're requesting your next bridge opening, over.
And you release the button and listen. That should come right back to you, usually pretty quick. We might make the next one. I'm going to go ahead and yeah, just repeat your message again.
New Pass Bridge Master versus Sailing Vessel JC2. Sailing Vessel JC2, we're approaching from the east and requesting your next bridge opening, over.
Roger that. Are you the lone sailboat coming right towards the bridge now?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Our next opening is in about 2 minutes. I can probably hold an extra minute or two if I can get up here.
Yep.
Be great.
That's great, thank you. Want to go good fast?
Yep. Got a good wind. I'm going to go ahead and pull in. We're getting a beam reach right now, which is our fastest point sail. I think we're going to be there. It takes about 5 minutes for them to lift the grid. I don't know what he's talking about. It's something to be there by now. He said in a couple of minutes. I think we're pretty far through in a couple of minutes. Pull in our main tube, get a little more power. Take care of the tiller. Back a little bit. Upland out of it, you can, not downwind. Head for the left side of the bridge. Loose on this side. There we go. Alright. Now it's coming up. Alright, I'm going to come back around. Running just a little bit. Scoot forward so you can. There you go, now come back. You go on the left side. It's going to be all the way up. I can't do it. Away from the wall. I'm in the wind shadow now because the wind's coming back this way. momentum should get us through and that's what we want to do. We say left or green sign. Green going out. And we want to contact you too, so thank you. Voice is clear. Yeah, Newcastle Bridge Master, voice is clear, thank you.